In this house, there's some hoes 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 in this house, there's some.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So before we get into today's video, I want to show you guys this bomb flat iron that was sent to me from DSoar here, and I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite key features about this flat iron, because like period, look at the packaging, y'all. Hey guys, so one of my favorite features is their exterior, which is rubberized for a comfortable grip and easy control. Their temperature goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is for most flat irons, but this one allows you to choose your hair type, which is great. Their 3D floating plates have cushioning impact, and it glides over the hair strands without tugging for a smoother and faster styling. They also have many more features, so make sure you guys check out the links in the description box and cop you one of these flat irons. Also make sure and let them know that Desi sent you. Now let's get into today's video.
Hoes in this house, there's some hoes in this house.
Guys, so this is actually part 2 of my video. In part 1 I actually bleached the knots, colored the hair, and plucked the wig. So if you guys want to see how I did all that, make sure you guys check the link in the description down below. And in this video I will just be installing and styling the hair, so I'm styling it right now, as you guys can see. And yeah, I'm not going to really be doing that much talking in this video because everything is pretty much self-explanatory. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, see you guys at the end of the video.
Look, I need a hard hit, I need a deep stroke, I need a Henny drink, I need a weed smoke, not a garden snake, I need a king cobra with a hook in it, hope it lean over. He got some hard hit, I need a deep stroke, I need a Henny drink, I need a weed smoke, not a garden snake, I need a king cobra with a hook in it, hope it lean over.
Alright guys, so this is actually a closure wig, so this is the only reason why I'm doing this step. You don't have to do it like this. You can actually leave the whole stocking cap on, but I want it to be extra, and this is what I wanted to do. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this. I'm basically just sewing around the stocking cap, and then I'm gonna put the got to be and then cut it around. You guys are gonna see in the video, but I want to tell you guys what I was doing exactly so you guys don't be confused.
Don't touch that little dangly thing, that's touch that little, touch that little, touch that, touch that, touch that, touch that, touch. Wet ass pussy. Wet ass pussy. Wet ass pussy. Wet ass pussy.
There's some hoes in this house, 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 there's some.
Look, I need a hard hit, I need a deep stroke, I need a Henny drink, I need a weed smoke, not a garden snake, I need a king cobra with a hook in it, hope it lean over. He got some hard hit, I need a deep stroke, I need a Henny drink, I need a weed smoke, not a garden snake, I need a king cobra with a hook in it, hope it lean over. Park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage. Park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage. Touch that little dangly thing that's parked in the back of my Mac truck. Touch that little dangly thing that's in the back of my garage. Touch that little dangly thing that's touch that little touch that little touch that wet ass pussy. Wet ass pussy. Wet ass pussy. Wet ass pussy. Wet.
Alright guys, so that's the end of my video. This how the hair came out, period. Like, period. It's mad cute. I put some layers in it because it was kind of boring, like with it all straight. So it's kind of layered a little bit, you feel me? Going from a little short to a little long. And yeah, this is actually 22 inches if I didn't already say it. So make sure you guys go get this wig. It did not come this color. I did a video on dyeing this hair and how I got it this color and stuff. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, make sure you guys check out my video. I'll put it in the description down below. Make sure you guys check out DSoar hair. They have anything you need, bundles, wigs, closures, anything you need. And also make sure you guys check out Duval. I think Duval. I really don't know how to pronounce it, but you guys see it right here. Make sure you guys go check out their flat irons because y'all can see for yourself, like, you feel me? I'll also have all that information in the description down below. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys comment down below any other video ideas you guys want from me. Make sure you guys turn on your post notification bell so you guys are notified every time I post another video. And until next time, Desi out.
Way too motherfucking wavy. I can't imagine myself being basic. I feel like the man when I'm thumbing through faces. Hide all this pain in this blunt.